Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the view options for Google Calendar. So when you go to General Settings and scroll down and find View Options dictate how your calendar appears on your Google Calendar home screen. So there's a number of different options here. Do you want to show weekends? Yes or no. If you don't want to see the weekends, just toggle that off. If you do want the weekends to show up, I teach at a school. Sometimes there's events on Saturday or Sunday, so I'm going to have that on just in case. Show declined events. If you've declined an event, but maybe you still want to know that it's going on, you can click that on. Otherwise, you can click it off. You can integrate Google Tasks with Google Calendar, and then if you have tasks that would show up on your calendar, you can show completed tasks as well. You could show the week number, so the week that contains January 1st would be week 1 and so on. And then you can display events shorter than 30 minutes as 30-minute events. It can be kind of confusing if you have tiny little events in your day and just maybe you don't want to have a bunch of little short events. So if you just set everything to be 30 minutes, that's shorter than 30 minutes, you can kind of keep your day a little less hectic. I like this one, reduce the brightness of past events. If an event is already done and over with, I don't want it to appear the same visually as events that have not taken place yet. So I reduce the brightness on those. In day view, you can decide if you want to view calendars side by side. What day would you like the week to start on? What is your custom view? Mine is 2 weeks. It just gives me an opportunity to kind of see what's happening in the upcoming week. And if you have any alternate calendars, you can set those as well. I don't, so I have none. But this way you can control the default behavior of your Google Calendar homepage.